COSOOS fastest charging station with QC 3.0. 63W6 Sport USB. Charging station for multiple devices with 6 mixed short cable and iWatch stand. Multi-charger station for cell phone, tablet, Easter gift, docking station and 6 phone chargers in one. Mom, dad, family, school, hotel, restaurant, company love it. 63W fast USB charger station provides one-stop charging solution for multiple devices and compatible with iPhone 16 Pro, 16, 15 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14, iPhone the 11th of December 13, X's, XR, 8/7, 6, iWatch, Android, smartphone, Samsung Galaxy, tablet, Kindle, speaker, earbuds, wireless charger, but not USB-C iPad. You can order our COSOOS PD charging station for iPad Pro, Quick Charger 3.0 Fast Smart Charge Multi-Charger Station, 5x to point for A plus 1x3A, has built-in 1 Quick Charge 3.0, which recharge your cell phone up to 80% faster, saving your time and never let your devices power off. Other 5 ports have high power, 2.4, a quick charging ports for power-hungry device like tablet and large smartphone. With smart chipset installed, charging base can automatically identify your device and deliver up to 1 to A from all 6 ports collectively. Included 6 USB charger cables 23 centimeters, 9-inch, tidy and organized, 6-port. USB charging station includes to phone charge and sync cables, to micro cables and to Type-C cables. No more cluttered cables. You do not have to plug a bunch of chargers on your power outlet for every phone and tablet you have. COSOOS charging station for multiple devices. Keep everything in one place, nice and clean. Innovative removable baffle design, detachable. Baffles and base can be effortlessly separated. Just choose which baffle be left. Then you have enough space to fiddle with the posture of your devices. Lying flat or sideways to charge. Charger station can save a lot of space and is easy to carry on the go. Includes 7 baffles and 1 watch holder. Absolute safety and protection. COSOOS Multi USB charger owns cutting-edge circuitry and protects against short circuit, over voltage, over current, overcharge, and travels friendly input voltage. Range of 100 to 240 volts. Built-in 100% premium copper wire with high standard quality control.